Namaste Apollo. An integral part of the Apollo Health and Lifestyle Limited, Apollo Clinic Nizampet branch has started its operations on 20th September 2012. Aligned to the vision and mission of our founding chairman and the Apollo Group as a whole, the clinic as a complete healthcare under one roof is committed to provide consistently superior services to address the day-to-day healthcare needs of its clients ever since it has started its operations. Let's have a look at what we do here. This is where our patients are received with a warm welcome. We get to know in detail what they are here for and start looking at how to meet their requirements. Here we have a team of 16 dedicated and committed doctors at the clinic's disposal in various specialties offered by the clinic. The clinic has 2 consultation rooms, 2 treatment rooms, a TMT, an X-ray room, 1 sample collection room, USG, dental wing and a center manager cabin. This is one place where we ensure that our patients do not spend more time. This is our waiting lounge. Clinic handles a footfall of more than 40 on an average day, both in retail and corporate segments, who visit to complete their consultations, investigations, pre-employment health checkups and annual health checkups according to the requirement. This branch is backed with a full-fledged pharmacy to cater the clinic's patients. The clinic also accommodates Apollo Sugars, which is a new initiative of the Apollo Group, and Nizampet is one of the branches with full-fledged diabetology services, which occupies 1 consultation room and 1 treatment room in the clinic. Here, the clinic has a workforce of 22 employees, 18 Apollo Clinic and 4 from Apollo Sugars, to carry out its day-to-day operations. The clinic also has a fully equipped facility to carry out all the treatments and procedures. We are backed by a full-fledged laboratory services and staff to cater the required volumes of clinic diagnostics and perform as per the standard protocols to meet quality for excellence. Healthcare is a noble industry, and here we do not see marketing as a platform just for sales. Therefore, we never say buy me, rather we say this is what we are and this is what we do. Come to us if you like us and believe us. And we continuously thrive to create loyal advocates and evangelists of our brand. Having said so, we at Nizampet believe that Marketing is not any one individual's responsibility, and we all, along with the team of our doctors, work towards a common goal. We are penetrating as deep as we can into the areas surrounding our clinic with our Live Healthy package awareness. Let's listen to some of our clients what they have to say about us.
Hi, this is Vivian Raju. I would like to share my experience with Apollo Clinic Nizampet. I visited the clinic a couple of weeks back with suspecting a snake bite. I had a very great and a satisfactory interaction with the clinic staff and the doctors. They ruled out all the possibilities of the injury, eliminating one by one with the help of a diagnostic reports and doctor's advice. The best part of the whole episode is even unavailability, they are arranged consultation with the necessary doctors in a short span of time, gone to extent involving a doctors give me counseling cause I was not convinced that I am fine in spite of all diagnostics showing normal reports. Overall, it is a great experience and I hope Apollo Clinic to continue the same service to the patient in the same manner and gets it better in course of time. Thank you very much Apollo.
Hi, I am S.V. Ramana. I came from Dr. Reddy's for medical checkup to this Apollo hospitals. As I am very much satisfied with this and nursing consultation and everything, very much satisfied. So that I brought my mother.
Hi, I'm Ram.
for this
I
medical
have spent a
checkup.
lot of money on this hair
That
treatment for
service is
hair
very
loss
nice.
and on
We are
PRP.
very much
I have
satisfied with
visited
this
many
service.
clinics and hospitals,
Apollo
but
Clinic.
nowhere I found good results with that. I'm not at all happy with the results. Then later, with one of my friends' suggestion, I visited to Apollo Nizampet, joined for PRP treatment and paid for 10 sessions. And after my third session, I've seen good results on my scalp, getting good volume of hair. And I suggested many of our friends, they are ready to join for this treatment. So
These
I'm very much
feedbacks are
give thanks to
encouraging for
Apollo
us.
one and all. Thank you.
However, we keep an eagle's eye on the negative feedbacks that we receive as they are the ones which open up new windows for us to improve and get more and more better.
నేను హాస్పిటల్ క్లినిక్కి ఎంటర్ అయినప్పటి నుంచి స్టాఫ్ కోఆర్డినేషన్ అంతా బాగుంది. పేషెంట్స్ ఏమైతే అనుకుని మన క్లినిక్లో ఎంటర్ అవుతారో అదంతా బాగానే ఉంది స్టాఫ్. కాకపోతే నాకు డాక్టర్ 10 AM అపాయింట్మెంట్ ఇచ్చారు, కానీ ఒక ఫ్యూ మినిట్స్ డిలే అయింది, ఒక 10 minutes. ఇదొక్కటి కొంచెం మోర్ చేసుకుంటే డాక్టర్స్ అనేది పేషెంట్స్కి బాగా సపోర్ట్ అవుతుంది. టోటల్ అంతా
We look at the negative feedback as the best opportunities for improvisation. Customer wow is our main mantra, and our employees who continuously try to achieve this are as important to us as anything else. Therefore, we empower our workforce with all that is necessary to take the ownership of the task assigned to them, and we create a great work atmosphere to build a passion for growth within themselves and work for a common goal with result oriented teamwork. We conduct required refreshment trainings for our staff. We reward and recognize every achievement of our staff to encourage them, and as one family, we always look out for an opportunity to celebrate every single moment of happiness amongst ourselves. May it be a birthday or an anniversary or a small get together for that matter.
Our mission is to bring healthcare of international standards.
within the reach of every individual.
We are committed to the
the achievement and maintenance of excellence
in education, research, and healthcare.
for the benefit of humanity.
I am proud to be in this noble industry.
I am proud to be a member of Apollo family. We care our lives.
Our vision is touching 20 million lives and 2,000 crores revenues in 2020.
We are committed for the